What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is very exciting. I'm gonna try to guess the Korean animal sounds. Let's give it a try. Yaong. 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 Okay, so which animal does the yaong? Yaong. Yaong. Yaong.
Yao.
Meow. Oh. Meow. Then maybe it's a cat. So how Swedish people make how the cat sounds for Swedish people is meow, like meow, meow, like that. Next one, check, 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 check,
Check, check.
check, check. Right away, I just thought of a rooster. Check, 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 check. Oh, maybe the animal that does with nose on a tree. It's a bird, right? Check, check. It's a bird.
It's a bird, but it's a sparrow. It's this.
Ah, sparrow. Okay. I think I'm good at this game, right? Chick, chick. What? Chick, chick.
Tick, tick.
Chick, 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 chick. Who makes that sound? Chick, chick. I had to. Chick, 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 chick. Ah, maybe it's a mouse. Small animal that makes that sound, right? So it has to be a mouse.
Oh, correct. That's good.
The mouse. I don't think we have a sound for the mouse. Maybe it's like. No, that's. I think when we write it in the comic book, we just write beep, beep, like beep, 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 beep. Next one.
That was so weird.
Okay. Quack, quack. Ah, quack, quack. That is a frog, right?
No.
What is it? Wait. Quack, 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 quack. That has to be a frog. That's the frog noise in Sweden. Quack, 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 quack. Ah, quack, quack. It's Donald Duck, a duck, right? Ah. Okay. We say quack, quack in Swedish. Quack, 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 quack. Next one. Meow, me, me, me.
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 Me. A sheep? Is it a sheep?
Like sheep or the goat. Me.
Okay, because in Sweden we do be, like biak, 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 biak,
Piak, piak.
biak, 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 biak. Who does that sound? Biak. An animal that makes that sound. Biak. Bar. Biak. 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 I have no idea. Maybe it's a gut feeling. What should I go with? Biak. A kangaroo.
We don't even have kangaroos in Korea.
I know.
It's baby chicken, chicks.
What?
Piak, piak, piak.
Really? Baby chickens, really? Kor kor.
Good, good.
Kor kor. Kor kor. Kor kor. Kor kor. Kor kor. Rooster. Chicken. Gul. Kor 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 kor. Pig. Is it a pig? What?
Bark, 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 bark.
They don't sound like that. What? They sound like like that. Oh, we say nuff in Swedish, like nut nut. But I think the real sound is like like that.
That sounds like a dog to me.
Yeah, but it's a mix of a dog and a pig, right?
That's so dumb.
No, that's normal. Ask. Next one. 꼬꼬댁, 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 꼬꼬댁. What is the sound? It doesn't make sense. Is it that long? Does the animal make that long sound when it? Oh, it's impossible. Maybe it's the rooster in Swedish sounds like, but we more like. So maybe it's a rooster.
It is.
What? Yes. Nice.
Even longer sometimes. We say 꼬꼬대 꼬꼬꼬꼬꼬.
What? Okay. Omme. Not a sheep again, right? Maybe it's goat. I already guessed that. Just it's what animals is there that could sound like that? A horse.
Cows.
Oh my god! What? In Swedish, they sound like that.
Sounds the same.
Really? But you do. No, we just write like that. Maybe it's the same. I don't know. Next one. Gegul. Gegul. Frog.
Oh.
The frog sound in Swedish is like rabbit. It's like the same melody, but it's different words. It's like I think it's like rabbit or something. Rabbit. So I sound like an animal now. That sounds like a confused Swedish guy. Oh! It sounds like Goofy. Do you know Goofy? The Disney character? He is a dog. So maybe it's a dog. He sounds like you? He sounds like right me? It's not dog.
It's lion.
Lion?
Lion.
Lion?
Lion or like tigers.
So weird. I don't know how they sound in Swedish right now, but maybe or something. I don't know. Next one. Kiki. Oh, that sounds like a small animal. Kiki. Maybe it's really small animal. Maybe it's a small rat.
Monkeys.
What? Monkeys don't sound like that, right? But I don't know how they sound in Swedish, but not like that, okay? That was it, guys! Oh, I'm so horrible at Korean games, right? But it's so fun to do it. I hope you thought that as well, and I hope you will write to me and you give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video next time.